Okay, so hey guys, what's up? It's Anany back again with one more video, and friends, today I'm going to tell you that how you can record your screen on your Apple devices, whether it is MacBook or iPhone or iPad. And guys, also I'm going to tell you that how you can record your voice along with that screen recording. So now let's start our video without any delay. So let's go. And also guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Okay guys, so now let's first start with our MacBook, or you can say Mac OS. So guys, here I have installed the latest Apple software, Mac OS Big Sur. So now we will record our screen with our MacBook Pro. So first we have to type a key combo, which is Shift plus Command plus 5. Okay, you have to perform it once, and then this sort of taskbar will appear. So here are some options for screenshots, and then here you can record your entire screen. Here you can record a selected portion, and let us see some options, which is you can save to your desktop documents and etc. You can set a timer, you can choose a microphone. Here I have chosen the default mic of the MacBook, and then here are some more options. So now let us record our screen. So guys, as over here you can see this sort of sign will appear. This means your screen is being recorded, and if you want to stop the recording, then you just have to click on this, and then here is our recording. Okay, so let us play this recording once. So you can see our whole screen is being recorded, and you can also switch between the applications while this screen recording. Let us close this, and over here you can see that our recording has been saved onto our desktop. Okay guys, so now here is my iPhone, and the process for the iPhone and iPad is a little bit similar. So let us start with the iPhone process. So first we will open the settings. So here is my setting, and then we will go to this option, which is of the control center. We will click on it, and then we will go to this option, which is customize control. Okay, and then here you can see there are many options, but we will click on this one, which is our screen recording. Can you see this one? You click on this plus sign. Okay, so now this is added. So now you can open your control center, and here you can see here is the option of your screen recording. But if you hold this option for a bit while like this, then here you can see there are some options. But how to record your voice is this. So here you can see that our microphone is turned off, but we will do it turn on. Okay, so now I will press on this 3, 2, 1, and our screen is being recorded. Then see everything, our whole iPhone screen is being recorded. And if I will click on this red line, and then here will be option on off stop, I will just stop it. Okay, then you will find this clip in videos, and here is your screen recording. Okay, so this was in process how to record on your iPhone, and you can say of iPad too. Okay guys, so this was how you can record your whole screen with your voice on your Apple devices. I hope this video was really very helpful to you, and if yes, so please like this video. video, share this video and send your thoughts in the comments. And guys, till now if you have not subscribed my channel, guys, please subscribe because we want to complete 500 subscribers very soon. So yes guys, bye bye for this time.